All documentation can be stored directly in the 3D Experience platform. New documents can be created from the document management widget, among other places. Once created, documents have a large amount of metadata associated to them, things like unique identifiers, revisions, files, owners, maturity states. Files can be uploaded from your local machine to populate the document within the platform. Microsoft documents can be previewed directly within the platform, negating the need to download. As well as previewing documents, Microsoft documents can also be edited directly in the platform. Updating documents in the platform works in a very similar way to the Microsoft Online editors. Once edits have been completed and saved, the previews are automatically updated. As well as being previewed and edited, documents can be revised, duplicated, shared, moved, downloaded, or deleted, among many other commands. Document information can be viewed, such as its main properties. These can also be edited. Documents can also contain more than one file, if needed. Finally, documents can have other documents attached to them. Another useful tool for managing documents in the platform is the bookmark editor. Working in a similar way to folders is it allows us to give some structure to storing our documents. Using drag and drop or the search functionality, we can add documents and other object types to bookmark folders. From within the bookmark editor, we can preview, edit, download, remove, delete, as well as many other commands. Maturity states can also be updated, and new revisions or duplications of documents can be created.